Inglês básico.
present continuous, and simple present. Scene 1. In Sylvia's house.
Hi, Mia. Where are you? What are you doing now?
Hey, Sylvia. I'm in the library. I am reading a book.
Do you always read books on Friday nights?
No, I sometimes read books on Fridays.
Are you alone?
No, I'm not. Mark is here too.
What is he doing?
He is studying for an exam. He always studies here in the library.
Present continuous.
Usado para descrever o que alguém está fazendo no momento.
I am reading a book.
Eu estou lendo livro.
He is studying for an exam.
Ele está estudando para uma prova.
Simple present.
Usado para descrever rotinas.
I sometimes read books on Fridays.
Às vezes eu leio livros às sextas-feiras.
He always studies here in the library.
Ele sempre estuda aqui na biblioteca.
Nesse vídeo, você vai revisar os dois tipos de presente.
Do you want to go to a party tonight? Você quer ir a uma festa hoje à noite?
Sorry, but I cannot go out tonight.
Oh, why not?
I need to leave the library at 7 p.m. and go home. My cousins from Japan are visiting me. We have a special dinner tonight. Do you want to go to my house for dinner?
Well, it's a family dinner, so I don't think it's a good idea.
Okay, I understand. We can go out tomorrow.
Nós podemos sair amanhã.
We can ride a bike and play basketball at Central Park in the afternoon, and go to a party tomorrow night.
Yeah, sure, Mia. Have a good dinner. See you tomorrow. Okay. Mia is busy, but maybe Jennifer is free. Oh, hey, Jennifer.
10 minutes later.
Oh, well, I think Jennifer is busy too. I don't have any plans tonight. Eu não tenho nenhum plano hoje à noite. I don't have any plans tonight. What is my mom doing right now?
The Real Housewives of New York City.
Hey, Mom, what are you doing? I'm watching TV. What are you watching? I'm watching The Real Housewives of New York. Do you always watch it? Yes, I always watch it on Friday nights. It's one of my favorite shows. Do you want to watch the show with me? Yes, sure. Is Dad working? Yes, he's working now. Does he always work on Friday nights? No, he doesn't, but he has a special meeting today. Are you going out tonight? Oh, no, I'm not. I usually go out with my friends on Friday night, but they are busy tonight. So it's just you and me tonight. I like it. I love to stay with you. What are you doing? I'm watching TV.
O que você está fazendo?
Eu estou assistindo TV.
what do you do on Friday nights? I watch TV and I usually go out with your father.
O que você faz às sextas à noite?
Eu assisto TV e geralmente saio com o seu pai.
What are you watching? I'm watching the Real Housewives of New York.
O que você está assistindo?
Eu estou assistindo As Verdadeiras Donas de Casa de Nova York.
Do you always watch it? Yes, I always watch it.
Você sempre assiste isso?
Sim, eu sempre assisto isso.
I'm not going out tonight.
Eu não estou saindo hoje à noite.
I usually go out with my friends on Friday night, but they're busy tonight.
Eu geralmente saio com minhas amigas na sexta-feira à noite, mas elas estão ocupadas hoje à noite.
Is Dad working? Yes, he's working now.
O pai está trabalhando?
Sim, ele está trabalhando agora.
Does he always work on Friday nights? No, he doesn't, but he has a special meeting today.
Ele sempre trabalha de sexta à noite?
Não, ele não. Mas ele tem uma reunião especial hoje.
Back to story.
So, Mom, what do you do on Friday nights? Well, I watch TV and I usually go out with your father, but because your father is working tonight, I don't have any plans. Where do you go on Friday nights? Well, we usually go to a restaurant on Friday nights. We sometimes go to a bar and dance together. Oh, cool, Mom. It's good to know you and Dad go out together. Yes, but because your father is working tonight, we're not going out tonight. Okay, Dad is working, but we're not. Why don't we go out together? Oh, good idea, honey. Where do you want to go? I don't know. Where do you want to go? I have an idea. Let's go to the shopping center and have dinner in a restaurant there. Oh, yeah, Mom. Let's go. What mall do you want to go to? Let's go to Quinn Center. How do we go there? By car? No. Let's take the subway.
Scene 2. Going to the mall. "15 minutes later.
And now, how do we go to Quinn Center? Do we take a taxi? No, we don't need to take a taxi. It's near here. Let's take a walk.
3 minutes later.
Oh, it's there. Let's shop here. Hello?
Hey Sylvia. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm shopping with my mom.
Where are you shopping?
I'm shopping in Quinn Center Mall. I'm shopping at Gap right now.
So, are you shopping for clothes?
Yes, I am. How about you? Where are you? What are you doing?
I am in the gym. I'm exercising. I'm riding a bike.
Really? Why are you riding a bike right now?
I'm riding a bike because I need to lose some kilos.
Oh, So, do you have any plans for tonight?
Nothing special. Wait. I'm going to the treadmill now.
Treadmill.
I am running now. After the gym, I'm going home to have dinner. And you?
Um, After we shop, my mom and I are going to a restaurant to have dinner, and after we go home too. Do you want to go out tonight?
No, I'm very tired. I want to go home, relax, have dinner, go to bed and sleep. But we can go to Central Park tomorrow in the afternoon. And do something at night.
Sure. See you tomorrow.
Scene 3. In Central Park.
They are playing basketball.
John and a mysterious girl are taking a walk. 30 minutes later.
Okay. Good game, Jennifer. You play basketball very well.
You play basketball very well too. It's very hot. Let's swim.
But where? The Central Park swimming pool is closed.
Really?
Yes. It's closed until 2024.
Well, let's shop for some ice cream, then.
Wait a minute. Is that John over there?
Yes, that is John.
And who's that girl?
I don't know.
Oh no. John is kissing that bitch? She is a tramp. And he's a
Well, I'm sorry, Sylvia. John Ryder is not boyfriend material. He doesn't deserve you.
Ele não merece você.
I'm going there.
No, don't do it. He doesn't deserve you.
Maybe not, but I need to go there. Hi, John.
Hi, Sylvia. This isn't what you are thinking. She's a friend.
Oh, I see. You kiss and make out with all your friends then.
Well,
Who is she?
she is Sylvia, my classmate. She is a friend too. She's only a friend.
I don't believe you.
So, do you make out with this girl and how many? 2 girls? 3 girls? 10 girls?
Well, that's not important. And come on, girls. We are not dating officially. We are only going out. So what's the problem?
You. You are the problem, asshole.
Yes, he is the problem. Bye, John.
Bye. I never want to see you again.
Oh, oh, come on, girls. Don't leave. I love both of you. Don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave me. I love both of you.